Hello, lovely people. Bless you for coming. Another update on our board. Yes, so today I'm here to share with you one mobile app that you need to get on your phone. If you day in Africa, you need this app badly. This is an investment app. This is digital wallet. This is financial management app that's going to save your life 2025. And I'm about to take you through. But before we do this, if you've been new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Returning subscribers, God bless you for always coming back. Yes, so let me take you through. The app is called Accrue. So you go to your app store, your play store, you get the app and use the code on your screen to sign up. Use it as your reference code to sign up for your first bonus on the app. Yeah, so let me take you through the app. This is how the app looks like when you enter the home page. This is how it looks like. We have three wallets over here. We have founding balance, we have savings packet, we have portfolio value. So this app allows you to deposit money through cash ram. With a cash ram, it's like mobile money through Vodafone Cash, through bank account, through EcoBank, through Airtel money, Airtel Tigo money. And we have USD bank account. You can also deposit money with your USD bank account, because the app will allow you to create US bank account. You got it. So you can get yourself US bank account to do your transactions on this app with less than $3 to create that particular account for you inside this app. And also you can also deposit money with cryptocurrency on the platform. So when you deposit money in the founding balance, you can remove it, or you can add the money from your founding balance to your savings balance over here. So with the savings balance, every day you will get interest. Okay, so let's see this message here. You can see every day you will receive, and your earn daily in dollar saving challenge. And you see, so every single day you will earn interest on your money inside your saving packet. This app also allow you to create virtual Visa card with $4. Every month they will deduct $1 as monthly maintenance fee. So no stress again, stressing yourself to get Visa card to make your online payments and stuff. Accrue is here to save you. So look nowhere than this particular app 2025. If you want to improve your financial life, then you need Accrue. Accrue also allows you to save. Join savings challenge. We have savings challenge. When you come to save over here, you can see we have challenge. A lot of challenge over here. So let's check the first challenge. So the first challenge, a lot of people did on it. 1,711 plus we did on this particular challenge, and you can see daily savings is 40 cents. Daily savings is 40 cents, and this particular challenge will end March 11th 2025. You can deposit more, but the minimum is 40 cents that you can donate daily. I'm sure this particular challenge started last year and it's still going on. We have another challenge, a whole lot of challenge. So the one that you think you can join, the one that you think you can afford, then you join that one. I'm currently on this challenge that is $1 a day. $1 a day. As you are saving over here, you will still earn your daily interest on this particular savings. What I say? So this app, everyone needs to join this app. One thing that I love about this app is that when you come to the home page, you will see this market button. This allows you to launch your virtual store and sell your product. You can sell digital product, you can sell physical product, you can also sell courses with this particular market. So as you can see, I have one service set up, but still in it is pending review. I did it just now, so it's pending review. So when it's done, this particular service price is $200. That is a website design, because myself I design website. So if you need website for your brand, for your project, you can DM me or leave a message below this particular video, and I will come through for you with quality professional website for you. Okay, so this is some of the features of the app, and this is crazy. So you can see some people are also selling their music. Some people are selling their music. This particular is music, Tough Puff Pass It featuring Gunshots. So you see $2. So you add to your cart, go to checkout, you pay with your cash ramp or you pay with your accrue. If you're having money in your accrue balance, you can pay with it. Okay, so this is a top-notch app, and this was launched in 2021 back then, and still running smooth. So there's no need to fear that you're going to put your money in this particular digital wallet or this platform and you wake up one day not seeing your money again. Nah, it's not like that. It's never like that. This is a secured app that you can trust. So if you want to improve your financial life 2025, I think this particular app is for you. You that you are watching me, this app is for you. So join the platform, use my code to register to get your first bonus, and let's do the challenge together. So because the challenge, you see who is ranking first and all that. So let's see. But the challenge, the one I'm doing, you can see Gifty is ranking with $6 saved, Anas with $3, Gilda with $2, myself, Andy with $2, Derek $1 as it goes. So if you are saving more, you'll be climbing up the ladder. That is the challenge, saving challenge. Don't go and do WhatsApp savings, WhatsApp susu, make someone take your money run. Nah, Charlie, this is trusted brand that you can also join. Thank you very much for staying true to this end. My name is Andy. See you on the next update. Bye bye.
and welcome back. Have you checked out Week Mix Media? No? What? What are you waiting for? It's right here on YouTube. Go ahead, type it in, Week Mix Media, your ultimate destination for the hottest, the latest, the trendiest news you can possibly imagine. Talk about gossip galore. Yes, it is meant for you. Go ahead and check it out. You won't regret this. Week Mix Media, right on YouTube. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification. See you soon.